IUD insertion. Your doctor will insert a speculum gently into the vagina and clean the cervix and vagina with antiseptic.
So this part feels similar to a pap smear. Nothing I haven't experienced before.
They will then hold the cervix and measure your uterus.
This pinched a bit, so I took some deep breaths to relax. It only lasted about 10 seconds.
Next, they will gently glide the IUD insertion tube into the uterus and release the IUD at its final position.
The measuring and the actual insertion felt like something was inside me, and I did feel some cramping. All in all, the whole thing took about 10 minutes, and it was totally worth it, because now I don't have to worry about taking contraception, and I don't have to think about it every day anymore.